2 foot, just above knee level, and also at 4 feet. And I did that stupid I'm a fox little routine. Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft again. It's day 10, double figures. Can't believe we're in double figures. Yeah, we are. Hope you're all keeping safe, keeping occupied. No footage again last night. Really disappointed. I was really convinced I was going to get some footage last night. With getting that photo of the fox again, I thought, right, I'm in the right area. But I'm not going to lie, I was really disheartened when I checked the footage this morning. However, I have sort of used that to my advantage in that when you make, well, not mistakes, but when you get things not quite right, you'll learn from them, and that's what I've done today. Now, there's a kestrel right in front of me. Now, it was a bit strange, the thing that I've done today. I've spent nearly half a day doing some testing. In fact, I'll tell you what, just take a look. So yeah, there you go. Bit mad really, wasn't it? But I learnt loads from it, I really did. When I watched the footage back, it really showed me that height of the camera can make all the difference. One of the things you may not have seen is that I set the camera at ground level, at 2 foot, just above knee level, and also at 4 feet. And I did that stupid I'm a fox little routine. When I had the camera set at 4 feet, which was roughly the height I had the camera last night, probably a little bit higher actually last night, camera never triggered, never took a photo, and never took any video. So that's probably why I got absolutely nothing. So tonight I'm going to drop the camera right down to the height of the fox really, which I've been reading up again today. Shoulder height between 30 and 50 centimetres for an adult fox. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to drop the camera right down, and hopefully, and I'm also just going to have it on video mode, because when it takes a photo, there's like a 5 second delay, and then the video kicks in. So if something goes past, takes a photo, by the time it's ready to take the video, if it's going at a reasonable pace, it could be out of shot when the video kicks in. So that might be why I've had clips in the past that are just recorded but there's nothing there. That's probably the reason why. So that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. So you definitely can't say that I'm not persistent. You're always learning. I am in the process of putting a video together, a sort of wildlife camera hints and tips video, specifically on the Victure HC100, because that's what I've got. But yeah, you can probably apply the same techniques to any other wildlife camera. So I started off with camera heights, which I've been doing today, and the different modes, the photo and video mode and the video only mode. And I'll add little bits on as I work them out for myself. So yeah, that's a video you can look out for. I'm not sure when I'm going to be publishing that one, but it shouldn't be that far off. So if you've got a wildlife camera, you might find that one of use. Got Jack by the hedge there, garlic mustard coming through. One of my favourites. So we're on our 10th day now, and the Vilta M Free Vision gimbal is still running at 56%. So that's 10 days, maybe not quite 10 days, probably 8 to 9 days, and the battery life is still on 56%, so it's still doing really well, and it is getting some hammering. Just been caught out again. Just talking to the camera, and I hear these footsteps behind me. There's a jogger coming up right behind me. He must have heard everything I said then. Oh well, never mind. Getting used to it now. I have to say, I'm quite disappointed. I'm not disappointed, I'm just a little bit surprised. Nobody's commented on the fact that they spotted the Manchester toy in one of the previous videos. You may well have spotted it, you just didn't want to comment. It's there, but where? I just saw something fly along this hedgerow here. I don't know if there's an owl or a kestrel or something else. I don't know if you can see it. Zoom in. I can't quite see. Looks like it might be a kestrel. Yeah, it was a kestrel. I don't know whether you can hear all that. It's just turned 8 o'clock and everybody is clapping the NHS, all the care workers. Even though I'm in the woods, I can hear car horns going off, people clapping. I can even hear a few fireworks going off. So yeah, we really do appreciate you guys. You're doing an amazing job. We salute you. Right, well that's pretty much it for tonight. I'm just about to go and set the camera now. It's really going quite dark in the woods now. There's nobody about, so perfect time to set it. So fingers crossed for tomorrow. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the icon here or the one down there. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.